What is the name of India's first fully made in India semiconductor chip unveiled in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Vikram 32. Gokul Reservoir and Udaipur Lake, recently designated as a Ramsar site, is located in which state? Correct answer is option D, Bihar. Which Indian organization won the Raman Magsaysay Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Educate Girls. How many medals did India win at the Commonwealth Senior Weightlifting Championship 2025? Correct answer is option B, 13. Which city hosted the World Food India 2025? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. What is India's rank in the Global Innovation Index 2025? Correct answer is option D, 38th. Who has been appointed as the new Controller General of Accounts of India? Correct answer is option B, TCA Kalyani. Which Indian boxer won a gold medal in the 48th kg category at the 2025 World Boxing Championship? Correct answer is option C, Meenakshi Huda. Which Indian biosphere reserve was recently added as the 13th UNESCO Biosphere Reserve Network? Correct answer is option C, Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve, Himachal Pradesh. India won the Cricket Asia Cup 2025 by defeating which team in the final? Correct answer is option D, Pakistan. Which country appointed the world's first AI-powered digital minister named Daila? Correct answer is option C, Albania. Who received the 55th Dadasaheb Phalke Award in September 2025? Correct answer is option D, Mohanlal. Who became Nepal's first woman prime minister in September 2025? Correct answer is option A, Sushila Karki. Which ministry has launched the beta version of Adivani, India's first AI-powered translator for tribal languages? Correct answer is option B, Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Which city hosted the Men's Hockey Asia Cup 2025? Correct answer is option A, Rajgir, Bihar. Which team won the 62nd edition of the Dilip Trophy in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Central Zone. Where was the 21st edition of India-US Joint Military Exercise Yuddh Abhyas 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Fort Van Ryt, Alaska. Which train became India's fastest train in September 2025? Correct answer is option B, Namo Bharat. Who has been appointed as the new secretary to the Vice President CP Radhakrishnan? Correct answer is option B, Amit Khare. Indian Air Force officially bid farewell to which legendary fighter aircraft in September 2025? Correct answer is option C, MiG-21. Where is India's first bamboo-based biorefinery located? Inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 14th September 2025. Correct answer is option B, Golaghat, Assam. Who won the Women's Hockey Asia Cup 2025? Correct answer is option C, China. Who became the new Prime Minister of France in 2025? Correct answer is option D, Sebastien Lecornu. Who won India's first ever gold medal at the Speed Skating World Championship? Correct answer is option B. Anand Kumar Velkumar. Where was Semicon India 2025 held? Correct answer is option D. New Delhi. Who is the author of the book Different but No Less? Correct answer is option D. Anupam Kher. Which state government launched the Mukhyamantri Mahila Rozgar Yojana in September 2025? Correct answer is option C. Bihar. Which state government has built the world's first ceramic waste park named Anokhi Duniya? Correct answer is option C. Uttar Pradesh. When was World Ozone Day 2025 observed? Correct answer is option A. 16 September. Who received the Best Actor award at the 71st National Film Award ceremony in September 2025? Correct answer is option C. Shah Rukh Khan and Vikrant Massey. In which military exercise did India participate in September 2025 with Russia and Belarus? Correct answer is option A. Zapad 2025. Who is the current Chief of Defence Staff whose tenure has been extended till May 2026? Correct answer is option B. General Anil Chauhan. On 23rd September 2025, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated a defence manufacturing facility of Tata Advanced Systems Limited in which country? Correct answer is option B. Morocco. Who represented India at the 80th United Nations General Assembly in 2025? Correct answer is option B. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar. Under the new GST reforms implemented from 22nd September 2025, how many main tax slabs are there? Correct answer is option B. 2. Who was named ICC Men's Player of the Month for August 2025? Correct answer is option B. Mohammad Siraj. Which Indian filmmaker won Best Director at the 82nd Venice Film Festival 2025? Correct answer is option B. Anuparna Roy. On which date is World Coconut Day celebrated every year? Correct answer is option B. 2nd September. From which date will the National Payments Corporation of India discontinue the P2P collect request feature on UPI? Correct answer is option B. 1st October 2025. Which institution secured the top position in the NIRF rankings 2025? Correct answer is option C. IIT Madras. When was the 10th Ayurveda Day celebrated in 2025? Correct answer is option D. 23rd September. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Central Industrial Security Force in September 2025? Correct answer is option B. Praveer Ranjan. $1 lakh fee introduced in September 2025 applies to which type of US visa? Correct answer is option C. H-1B visa. Who was awarded the V. Narasimha Rao Memorial Award 2025 posthumously? Correct answer is option C. Dr. Manmohan Singh. Which company did Apollo Tyres replace as lead sponsor of India's cricket teams? Correct answer is option B. Dream 11. Which wildlife sanctuary in Odisha was approved as India's latest tiger reserve in 2025? Correct answer is option B. Debrigarh. Who is the author of the recent book titled Demography, representation, delimitation, the north-south divide in India. Correct answer is option B, Ravi K. Mishra. India agreed with which country to establish their first ever cross-border railway projects in September 2025? Correct answer is option A, Bhutan. Who became the first Indian to win the International Water Prize 2025? Correct answer is option A, Dr. Himanshu Kulkarni. World Rabies Day 2025 was observed on which date? Correct answer is option A, 28th September. Who inaugurated India's first central tissue bank and a cashless V-Office for the Delhi Dental Council in September 2025? Correct answer is option B, Dr. Pankaj Kumar Singh. What is the title of Arundhati Roy's first memoir released in September 2025? Correct answer is option B, Mother Mary Comes to Me. What is the name of world's first digital tribal university launched by Ministry of Tribal Affairs? Correct answer is option A, Adi Sanskriti. Who won the FIDE Women's Grand Swiss Chess Tournament 2025? Correct answer is option D, Vaishali Ramesh Babu. What is the name of the new Indian Navy base commissioned on 12 September 2025? Correct answer is option B, INS Aravali. What is the theme of the International Day of Peace 2025 observed on 21st September? Correct answer is option D, Act Now for a Peaceful World. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Indo-Tibetan Border Police? Correct answer is option C, Praveen Kumar. Which district of Chhattisgarh declared 75 Gram Panchayats as child marriage free in September 2025? Correct answer is option B, Surajpur. Who took charge as the 13th Director of Botanical Survey of India in September 2025? Correct answer is option B, Dr. Kanad Das. World Maritime Day 2025 was observed on which date? Correct answer is option D, 27 September. Which Gram Panchayat won the Gold Award at the National E-Governance Awards 2025 for Digital Innovation? Correct answer is option D, Rohini Gram Panchayat. World Environmental Health Day 2025 was observed on which date? Correct answer is option C, 26th September. Which Asian country's Prime Minister Lawrence Wong visited India in September 2025? Correct answer is option B, Singapore. Tata Electronics signed an MOU with which company to strengthen semiconductor and electronics manufacturing in India? Correct answer is option B, Merck. Who is the current Prime Minister of Bhutan who visited India in September 2025? Correct answer is option B, Tshering Tobgay. Who resigned as Japanese Prime Minister in 2025 after just 11 months in office? Correct answer is option B, Shigeru Ishiba. Who won the 2025 US Open men's singles title? Correct answer is option A, Carlos Alcaraz. Who became Nepal's first woman Attorney General in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Savita Bhandari. Which team did India defeat to win bronze in the CAFA Nations Cup 2025? Correct answer is option C, Oman. On which date in 2025 did Defense Minister Rajnath Singh interact with veterans marking 60 years of the 1965 India-Pakistan War? Correct answer is option B, 19th September 2025. Department of Post and which telecom company signed an MOU to expand mobile connectivity in India? Correct answer is option D, BSNL. On which date is the International Day of Democracy observed globally? Correct answer is option B, 15th September. What is the name of India's first vulture knowledge portal recently launched in Assam? Correct answer is option B, the Vulture Network. What is the name of Mizoram's first ever rail connection inaugurated in September 2025? Correct answer is option B, Bairabi Sarang Line. On which date is Hindi Divas observed annually? Correct answer is option C, 14th September. Which Indian actor was named UNFPA India's honorary ambassador for gender equality in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Kriti Sanon. Who has been appointed as the new Controller General of Communications Accounts in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Vandana Gupta. Who took oath as the Chief Justice of the Patna High Court on 21st September 2025? Correct answer is option D, Pawan Kumar Bhimappa Bajantri. Who was sworn in as the Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Justice Chandrasekhar. Who laid the foundation stone of India's first PM Mitra Textile Park in Dhar district of Madhya Pradesh? Correct answer is option C, Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Who became the 15th Vice President of India in September 2025? Correct answer is option A, C.P. Radhakrishnan. Who flagged off the Samudra Pradakshina, the world's first ever tri-service all-women sailing circumnavigation expedition? Correct answer is option B, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh. Who became the Prime Minister of Thailand in September 2025? Correct answer is option C, Anutin Charnvirakul. Who became the first India-born cheetah to reach adulthood at Kuno National Park? Correct answer is option C, Mukhi. Which country became the eighth to join India's Unified Payments Interface Network? Correct answer is option C, Qatar. Who won the Men's Ballon d'Or Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Osman Dembele. What is the name of India's second anti-submarine warfare shallow water craft delivered in 2025? Correct answer is option A, Androth. On which date is World Tourism Day celebrated annually to highlight the importance of tourism across the globe? Correct answer is option C, 27th September. Who is the Prime Minister of Mauritius who visited India in September 2025? Correct answer is option C, Navin Ramgoolam. In September 2025, which ministry introduced voluntary hallmarking for silver jewelry and articles enhanced with a digital hallmarking unique identification system? Correct answer is option C, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distributions. On September 4, 2025, India joined the Health Artificial Intelligence Global Regulatory Network. Which ministry made this announcement? Correct answer is option C, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Who inaugurated TDK Corporation's Advanced Technologies lithium-ion battery manufacturing plant at Sohna, Haryana in September 2025? Correct answer is option B, Ashwini Vaishnaw. Who launched the Unified Real Estate Act 2016 portal on 4th September 2025? Correct answer is option B, Manohar Lal Khattar. Where was the 69th General Conference of the International Atomic Energy Agency held in September 2025? Correct answer is option B, Vienna, Austria. Who was appointed as the new global brand ambassador of Levi's in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Alia Bhatt. When is National Teachers' Day observed annually in India? Correct answer is option B, 5th September. In September 2025, the Government of India signed a $126.4 million loan agreement with which organization to promote rural development through climate resilient tourism development in Uttarakhand. Correct answer is option B, Asian Development Bank. Who was appointed by President Draupadi Murmu on 11 September 2025 to additionally discharge the functions of Governor of Maharashtra? Correct answer is option B, Acharya Devvrat. Where was the 8th edition of the Lever Cup 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, Chase Center, San Francisco, USA. The last question is, who chaired the 56th Goods and Services Tax Council meeting at Sushma Swaraj Bhavan, New Delhi? Correct answer is option B, Nirmala Sitharaman. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. What is the name of India's first fully made in India semiconductor chip unveiled in 2025? The question number second is, which train became India's fastest train in September 2025? So friends, share the answer in the comment box and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.